Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to sideload installation on macOS tutorials. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first step is to download Sideloadly. Visit the official Sideloadly website, click on download link for the macOS version. Save the installation file to your preferred directory, install Sideloadly, open the downloaded file, drag and drop the Sideloadly icon into your applications folder, eject the installation file once the transfer is complete, and then you have to allow permissions. Go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy. Under the General tab, click Allow next to the message about Sideloadly. You may need to enter your Mac password to grant permission. And then you have to connect your device. Use a USB cable to connect your iOS device to your Mac. Ensure that your device is unlocked and tested by your Mac. And then you just have to launch Sideloadly. Open the Sideloadly website. Actually open the Sideloadly application from your applications folder. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to sideload your apps onto your iOS device. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.